Hey YouTube, it's Erin, and I am the Handbag Housewife, and I am having so much fun. I cannot tell you how much fun I've been having communicating with all of you, and I appreciate the stream of questions that you have been sending my way. I apologize, I accidentally answered a couple of them because when I get my comments on YouTube, they kind of all flow in and it doesn't tell me from what post that they come from until I go back and I look at them all together. So I answered a couple of the questions for my Q&A video that's coming up in the comments, and I didn't mean to do that. I won't do that anymore because I am just going to go back to the main screen to look at it from now on. So anyway, I have a super quick unboxing, and this is a Coach item. Something I'm excited about, something I got to go with another item. So we're going to have a little guessing game in the comment section today. We're going to see if you can guess what this is meant to go with. And then you will find out in a couple days. So it's a surprise unboxing with a surprise attached to it. Yay! Anyhow, this came from the warehouse in Jacksonville, Florida. It is nicely wrapped. I didn't request gift wrapping or anything, but oh my gosh, guys, look at this. Look at how they packaged this. Hooray for Coach for once. With all the bad luck I've been having lately from department stores, this is just a happy moment. This is just a happy moment for me. I'm gonna close this box on up. I don't need anything inside. At least I don't think I do. You know, the UPS driver left this in my garage. He had to go in my garage to leave it. I don't like it when they do that. I want it on my front porch. It's safer there. It almost got ran over by my husband's truck. So even though they did a really good job of getting it to me, and Coach did such a really good job of packaging it, it could have been a disaster. But just chuck that box in the other direction. It was not a disaster. This is a small item. Nothing big, but little items pack a punch sometimes. So let's just see what it is. Here we go. Now remember, you have to guess what this is for. And what it's for is going to be here in a couple days. And so you have a couple days of guessing. So what do you think it is? It's a strap. I mean, come on, you can tell. So let me go ahead and open it up. I've got to release it from the binds of the tape, and then I'll go ahead and pull it out. Oh, it doesn't want to come out. Oh, there we go. How exciting. All right, so we have a horse and carriage Coach strap with black leather trim and then black leather on the reverse side. And I believe this is the honey colored stitching. Let me look. It retails for $95 and I got it, I believe, for $57 as part of the sale. And then I think that fat coupon app that I told you about may have gotten me an extra 10% off as well. So I had to jump on that. It has lots of adjustments on each end. And I think it's going to be just perfect for the item that is coming in 2 days. It's canvas, of course, the canvas horse and carriage print, which I really like. I almost like it better. I definitely think I do like it better than the signature seed print. I just love the different colors of brown in it. You've got like a light tan and you have more of a caramel color. It's just so pretty and it's elegant with the gold hardware. And you've got the price tag on this end. Let me show you. I'm really trying to milk this time for what it's worth because this video just doesn't have too much interesting content. Anyway, I don't think I have many bags that this will go with, so there must be a secret surprise, like I said. Let me look. I guess I have my pillow tabby in black, which, I mean, with the pebbled hardware and stuff, I just don't think that would go. I've got my Pele by Longchamp, and this could be kind of fun with that, but really, I like my Louis Vuitton Alma BB strap with that. I think this would just be too much with that. Let me see, what else do I have that might go? I'm going to say a big 0. So if the bag that is coming doesn't work with this, then this is going to go back. But let's just hope and pray that the bag that's coming does work with it. Or maybe I should hope and pray that it doesn't work with it, because I have way too many freaking bags. Sometimes it's actually a relief when I receive a bag and it doesn't work for me. And you all have seen a couple of those instances, but not many. More often than not, I'm pretty darn happy when I do an unboxing. And I am happy with this one. It's a really cute strap. I'm not going to keep it if I don't like the bag. Make sure to go to the comments section and guess what that bag will be. I hope you've enjoyed today's video. If you have, please give it a big thumbs up. Thank you to all my subscribers for being subscribed. If you aren't subscribed, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and do it and ring my bell so you get notified of exciting content such as this in the future. Also, go over and find me on Instagram. The name over there is the same. It's the @ symbol, then the Handbag Housewife. And I just did a whole slew of posts today, so I will keep you very entertained. Thank you so much for watching, and I will talk to you again real soon. Bye.